Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can record audio in Canva. So as you can see, I have opened a Canva video project and I'm gonna add voiceover. To add voiceover, go to the top right corner and then click on share. Now go to the bottom and then click on see all. Now here you'll see present and record. Just click on that. Now go to the recording studio. Now Canva will ask you to give the microphone and camera access. After give the permission, after that click on start recording. Now it started to recording. So after record, just go to the top right and then click on end recording. And that's how you can record audio in Canva. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.